Alright, so we're going to cycle through one of our lifting rounds here just to get a sense of how this is going to go. We are going to do 4 minutes per set. We're going to do rear foot elevated split squats, one-arm dumbbell presses, and side planks. So Sunny's going to run through these, and I'm just going to kind of talk about how a typical session would go. So we're going to do 5 rear foot elevated split squats on one side, 5 on the other, 2 of the one-arm dumbbell presses on one side, 2 on the other, and then 20 seconds of side planks on each side. And again, we're looking at 4 minutes per set. We're going to see if we can stick with that. Good timing. Okay? So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, begin the set. So we've got 5 rear foot elevated split squats. So the weight should already be set from our lift prep that we already went through. Good, driving through that heel. So this is our opportunity to be walking around, checking on everybody, making sure that they're in position, doing their lift properly, giving our cues, dividing our attention amongst all of the different members. Okay. So she's already on that second leg. Looking good. Very nice. Okay, so she finished the split squats in less than a minute. She's going to take her time, grab that dumbbell. Okay, and this is a single arm dumbbell. We want to try to stay as tall and straight as possible. And since we're just doing 2, this should be getting pretty heavy. Very nice. Getting some unilateral work done. Okay, so that was pretty quick. So we still got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We're going to go right into the side plank down here. So this is going to probably be up to her to check the clock up top. So she checks that clock. Whenever she's ready, she starts and she gets that 20 seconds. For some people it may be 30. For some people it may be 40. So we'll just try and give them a general standard of 20 to 40 seconds. And again, this is a good point for us to walk by and give good cueing. Make sure those hips aren't sagging. Okay, she's going to flip over after that first 20. Again, she's taking her time. We're not feeling rushed. And again, she's checking her own time. She's going to know when to stop. Now this is an opportunity, this is kind of on the lowest end of the totem pole in terms of the lift, so we want to make sure everyone gets the rear foot elevated split squat and the single arm press. So if you've noticed someone really struggling with those 2 movements and needing some extra coaching, this is the opportunity to be with them. They don't necessarily have to do the side plank, so you can take that extra 2 minutes in that set to give them some cueing, and just, they skip the split or the side plank, and that's fine. So we've still got 1 minute 20. So this is just an opportunity again for us to do some coaching, give them an extra mobility drill, talk about something else, just give them a chance to recoup. Because obviously, once they start progressing into the program, we want those rear foot elevated split squats to be heavy. So that should be very demanding, as well as those dumbbell presses. And then we also have some different progressions for that side plank to make that more challenging.